Hello guys, and welcome to the wonderful world of physics. This video is done by Bon Chan, Yifan Li, and Tian Cheng. So I am going to talk about some interesting situations of Newton's first law, and this is the photo of Isaac Newton. A plane is flying above a city, and it's dropping a bomb every second. Where are those 6 bombs after 6 seconds? So here I am drawing a position time graph. Each line represents 1 second, and there are 6 seconds in total. We assume that there's no air resistance, according to Newton's first law, because there's no significant force act on horizontal direction. So after the dropping of the bomb, it still have the same velocity of the plane. Also, the force of gravity is pulling the bomb down, and that is the only vertical force acting on the bomb. Because of the bomb is accelerating downwards, we will have a curved line that shows the bomb is speeding up. Then, after 1 second, the second bomb is dropped, and it will follow the exact same path as the first bomb, and the same as the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth bomb. What will happen is that eventually, at the 6 seconds, all the bombs will be flying on the same vertical line with the plane. Bombs are flying on the same vertical line with the plane. So from this idea, we can easily identify that the plane above the bombing area is the one who dropped the bomb. Boom! You might ask, but the bombing has nothing to do in your real life. Nobody is going to bomb Toronto, I guess. That's why we prepared another topic. So now let's shift our minds to the things that will happen to us in the real life. Seatbelts in the car. This is what will happen if you don't wear a seatbelt while driving a car. For example, the car has a velocity of 20 meters per second, and then the car suddenly stops. Guess what? You will still have the velocity of 20 meters per second, and then you will fly out of the car with that speed. Ouch. That is why we give out our safety tip. Please wear seatbelt no matter what. Safety first. Producer, Bond, Yifan, and Tian. Director, Bond. Camera operator, Yifan and Tian. Editor, Bond. Sound mixer, Tian. And special thanks to Isaac Newton!